Hey guys, welcome to linguamarina channel. Do you have a problem when you have the vocabulary, when you can understand people, but when it comes to talking, you have all of those questions in your head? Is he gonna hate me for my accent? Is she gonna notice that I used the incorrect tense? Is that native speaker gonna laugh at my words, at my vocabulary? I've had this problem. Let's talk about a life hack that helped me overcome those questions in my head and that can help you. Interested? Continue watching. Now, very first thing that I wanted to tell you, people don't care about your accent. People don't care about the words that you're using. People just care about the information that they're getting from you. Yes, if you're too annoying, if you just want information from somebody, if you're just telling like long stories that are boring, yes, people might be annoyed by your accent. Like, this is true, because sometimes when somebody's like talking, and I'm like, come on. Be precise, be concise, and be polite to other people's time. This is like the number one rule to follow, not like a grammatical rule, not like a vocabulary. Just be a nice person to talk to. And then if you are a nice person, then no one's gonna care about the mistakes you're making. Have you ever had this when you're sleeping and you're dreaming in English or any other language and it's just flowing out of your head and you suddenly remember all of the complicated words you've never ever used before and you've only maybe seen a couple of times, and you're able to make those complex structures? You know why? Because your brain is relaxed. It's relaxed from all of your fears. It's relaxed from all of the thoughts like, oh my God, what's she gonna, or he or she's gonna think about me. Like, once you relax, it just flows out. You have everything in your head already. If you understand this video, if you're able to watch my channel, you have everything. And one thing that you're lacking is practice. And there is a thing that you can do that I started doing 3 years ago, which is a YouTube channel in English. And I'm gonna tell you everything about it. So basically, I know you're scared. I know you're like, what are my friends gonna tell me? What are my parents gonna tell me? And I know it's hard to start, but you can even start without sharing the channel. What's amazing about YouTube, if you're talking about interesting topics, if you're talking about a story, something that happened to you, how you overcame a difficulty, it can pick up your video and just start promoting it organically. If you're not talking about interesting things, you're just gonna practice and nobody's gonna see your video, I promise. Because when I published my first video, I didn't tell anyone. I never posted on my social media. I only had like 200 subscribers on Instagram back then. But I cared so much about their opinion because they were my former classmates. And I was afraid to share my first video because I thought they would laugh at me. They would laugh at my, language and stuff. Then, I just stopped caring, but I'm gonna talk about it. So what I want you to do this week, okay, don't hesitate. Take your phone. If you have like a small camera, if you have one of those, I have two of those and a big camera, just create a video why you're learning English. Hi everyone, my name is Marina. I'm learning English just like millions of people all over the world because at the age of 14, I went to the UK, I realized, and then blah, blah, blah. You tell a story, okay? You don't talk about how you want to get a better job or something. You just tell stories, and this is why people come to YouTube. If you're like, yeah, Marina, I'm gonna do this, but maybe later, this is your chance to start. I'm launching a completely new course. It's called 14-Day YouTube Challenge. It's gonna be in English, so another way for you to practice. This is a course where during 14 days, I'm gonna teach you how to start. I'm gonna teach you how to create a channel, how to select the right topic for your video, how to title it, what to write in the description, how to edit your video, how to publish it, how to respond to comments, and you're gonna graduate, like, this is the best part. You're gonna graduate with a channel that's ready. You're gonna graduate with a video that's published. I'm gonna teach you how to reply to comments, and you would also have a plan for the next 3 or 4 videos. And even if this is not something that you want to do like a career, but if you have this feeling inside that you want to share something, that you want to speak, that you want to practice your English, YouTube has done amazing change for me. Let's just look at a video that I made 3 years ago when I just started. The third part of TOEFL test is speaking, and this was the most difficult part for me. I don't have any problems with speaking, and I owe that to my language abroad experience, because I used to go to England to study English, then I went to Canada to study English. You see how I'm different. I am reserved. I was like really kind of camera shy. My accent is completely different, because now when I hear myself talk, when I edited videos, I would be like, oh my god, I make so many mistakes. I can improve this, I can improve that. My accent could be improved. And when you listen to yourself, because you don't normally do it in your normal life, your inner ear is not able to catch everything, because you have to process whatever, you know, is going on around you, and then being able to process whatever you're talking about, like, this is too much. But when you stop and you just listen to yourself, you look at yourself, like, your body language means a lot. Like, all of this that I'm doing, this helps you comprehend information. This only comes with practice. And this is something that you can learn just by yourself, just by looking at yourself, comparing yourself to other bloggers. So, you know, this is a huge recommendation for me. Start a YouTube channel. Don't talk about it if you're shy. Just start it, just post videos regularly. Look at yourself. You know, the most amazing thing that can happen is that it just picked up by algorithm, which happens a lot of times, and you're able to make money off YouTube. I just made a video about how much I make on YouTube on my Silicon Valley Girl channel. And yes, you can make a lot. I make over $10,000 on views alone. And I think this is amazing. And this becomes your job, this becomes your lifestyle. And again, if you have stories to tell, please, 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 the best time to start is now, because it might be late in a year, it might be late in 2 years, but if you have this feeling that there is something you want to share, oh my god, the link is below. Let's do this course. I'm giving a discount to you guys, it's gonna last for 2 days. The link is below, and I'll see you on the YouTube course. Even if you're not taking this course, please do the homework. Please shoot a video, listen to yourself, upload this video. And I'm really insisting on uploading this video because again, your friends wouldn't see it. They won't be able to Google you if you choose a different name. You know, just making this real, understanding that other people can watch would make you put more effort in it, and the content would be of better quality. You would feel like you're actually talking to people, not that you're talking to camera, because you would know that people are gonna watch later. So please, please, please. And of course, what you can do, if you want to share your video, you can share your channel's name in comments below, and people would just check it out, and I would check it out. So please share it. I'm really excited for you guys. I think this is the best homework you can get during your English class, right? I think it's amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead, switch YouTube off, and start your own YouTube. I'll see you soon, and I'll see you during the course. Bye bye.